I was at my local Goodwill recently and I found this really cool troll piggy bank, and I wanted to share this with you because I don't know if you've ever come across an item like this, but these items are collectible, these items are nostalgic, and this was in really great condition. These old vintage trolls can sell really, really well. And you guys all know Vinny, the toy master. I told him about this and he was actually pretty surprised that I found this. He says he's never found a troll piggy bank. Now these aren't gonna make you millions of dollars, but these do consistently sell for around $20 to $30. Really unique. This was sitting on the top of one of the blue carts that Goodwill pulled out, and it was $3. I love these types of items. If you guys aren't buying and selling toys, I'm telling you right now, you are missing out. These types of items, they sell quickly, there's a market, they're collectible, and you're not gonna find these things all the time. Now, I highly recommend if you come across a toy and you're not familiar with what it is, because this right here, I couldn't even find an identifier. Now, maybe it's underneath this sticker. Let me pull the sticker off and see if it's there. I couldn't find it, but one quick tip when dealing with toys, if you're having a hard time identifying it, download the Google Lens app. Now, it's just the Google app on your phone, and I'll put some video on the screen of Google Lens and how it works. But essentially, you could scan any item with your phone through the Google Lens app, and it will literally search the internet and look for that identical item and show you the items on like Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, all different places where this is actually being sold. Then you can identify the title, the year, so on and so forth. And of course, look for markings. You know, there's probably a marking on this somewhere, you know, if I was to really look, but I knew what it was. But by using the Google Lens, you can actually find that item, look it up, go through the sold listings and see what it's worth. So this is just a great example of the types of items you want to be on the lookout for when you're selling on eBay. And there's so many different categories that you could flip on eBay, from glassware to toys to media to clothing. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So if you guys want to learn more about what to buy and sell, couple tips for you: go to the sold listings, study, study, study. I recommend spending 30 minutes every day, pick a category, dive into the sub niche and just study it. See what's up for sale, see what things are selling for. That's a great tip. Of course, watch as many haul videos as you possibly can to find stuff like this. And if you want to learn from me personally, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. I'll put a link to that down below, where I share with you 5 new items in full detail, just like this, of what you could be on the lookout for, from thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, to flip on eBay. So I just want to share this with you again. You know, it's a little single, it's not a home run, but these are the types of items I love to flip on eBay. And you know, this is money in the bank. Keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.